Hello everyone! In this video, I'm gonna share my After SSC course experience with you guys. During my SSC vacation, I was feeling really bored and I wanted to utilize my time doing something productive. Then I heard about Mentors is offering a course which is specially designed for us. So I joined the After SSC course at Mentors. During the course, we had to interact with each and everyone in English, and we also had to give presentations on different topics every day, which really helped us a lot to improve our pronunciation and communication skills. And we were able to overcome all the difficulties we faced during speaking English. To me, that was the best part of the course. Doing the course really changed the style of my speaking and made me more confident to express myself in front of people. I would like to thank my instructors for that, and last but not the least, thank you Mentors for being such a great experience in my life.